Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free item and weapons again from the newest event. So the newest event right now, it happens right now is Battle of Glory. So click the events banner, click the feature. As you can see, there are lot of newest event here, for example like Road to World Championship, Rise Life Trail, and the one that I'm going to show you is Battle of Glory. So you can get a Medal of Glory from this event by log in uh, every day until 10 days, and also there's some milestone or there's some mission such as play 30 matches in any mode, kill 50 enemies using assault rifle here, and etc. So from it you can get some medal of glory. So what is the medal? You can exchange the medal in Battle of Glory exchange store. You can redeem until 50 medals. For example, you can redeem the Holger. This is the LMG weapon. Holger 26 Green Runner. This is an epic weapon. You can get it or you can redeem it by collect 50 Medal of Glory. So you have to play more and complete the milestone or mission to get until 50 glory medals glory. And also you can get avatar character and others weapon or items. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.